Which diagonal cutters are actually worth your time? Simple question, but the answer is buried under tons of options and flashy marketing. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the best tools for electricians. Product number 1, WorkPro 7-inch diagonal pliers. First up, we've got the WorkPro 7-inch diagonal pliers. Priced at just $12.99, this tool caught my attention with its ergonomic bimaterial handle and solid construction. If you want effective wire cutting without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 50 CRV steel construction means these pliers are built to last, ensuring a higher hardness and better clamping force. With hardened cutting edges, you're looking at cutting wires quickly and efficiently. Plus, it has an electrophoretic coating that helps prevent rust, which is crucial for tool longevity. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,100 reviews, many people are clearly satisfied with their purchase. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're dealing with electrical projects or simple household tasks, this tool can handle wires up to 12 AWG with ease. Now, some people complained about the grip feeling a bit slippery if hands are sweaty. Here's the thing though, most users find the comfort grip adequate for regular use. It might not be perfect for heavy-duty work, but for most tasks, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're an electrician looking for budget-friendly, reliable tools. Skip this one if you need something for heavy industrial use or if you require extra grip in wet conditions. Now, if that slight grip issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BoneFuse 6 inches wire cutters. Next up, we have the BoneFuse 6 inches wire cutters, priced at just $7.47. These heavy-duty snips are lightweight and compact, making them perfect for tight spaces. If you're looking for a versatile tool for crafting and electrical work, keep this one in mind. The flush cut design is great for snipping up to 12 AWG wire, making it ideal for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Made of high-quality chrome vanadium steel, these cutters are not just strong, they also resist wear and tear. With over 11,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, you can tell that users appreciate their performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're working with zip ties or delicate wiring, the ergonomic handle and spring-loaded design help reduce user fatigue, making repetitive tasks a bit easier. However, some users mentioned that the cutting edge can dull over time, especially with frequent use. I'll be real with you. If you're using them daily in a heavy-duty setting, you might need to replace them sooner than expected. But for casual or occasional use, they do the job well without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or an electrician in need of a compact, lightweight cutter. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty tool for industrial applications. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who demand more power. Product number 3, Klein Tools D248-9ST Diagonal Cutting Pliers. Moving on, we've got the Klein Tools D248-9ST Diagonal Cutting Pliers, priced at $30.98. This is a top choice for professionals, especially with its high-leverage design that offers 36% more cutting power. If you want maximum efficiency in tough environments, this is worth considering. Made in the USA, these pliers feature short jaws and beveled cutting edges that allow for precise wire cutting, making them perfect for rebar tie wire and other tough materials. The induction-hardened cutting knives add to their durability, ensuring that they last through numerous cuts without dulling. With a 4.8-star rating from over 6,100 reviews, electricians trust these tools for excellent performance. Here's why this matters for you. If you're in a tight work area, the angled head design and hooked handle help reduce slippage and provide better control. That said, some users have pointed out that they can be a bit heavy for extended use. Here's the thing, though. If you prioritize power and durability, this weight is a small trade-off for the benefits it brings. This is perfect for you if you're a professional electrician handling heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for occasional home use. Now, if you want something even more specialized for tight spaces, let's take a look at the next option. Product number 4, Klein Tools D275-50 5 diagonal flush cutters. Next, we have the Klein Tools D275-5 diagonal flush cutters, available for $12.97. This tool is designed for precision, making it perfect for fine work where a clean cut is essential. If you're working on detailed electrical tasks, this one's definitely worth a look. These flush cutters can cut zip ties and small wires up to 16 AWG, providing a flat cut that minimizes any sharp edges. The slim profile allows for better access in confined spaces, which can be a lifesaver when you're working in tight spots. With a 4.6-star rating from 7,700 reviews, it's clear that many appreciate its durability and precision. Here's why this matters for you. The steel return spring not only ensures comfortable handling, but also makes repetitive cutting easier, reducing hand fatigue. However, some users mentioned that the cutting edge can struggle with thicker materials. I'll be honest, while they shine in delicate tasks, they're not the best choice for heavy-duty cutting. If your work involves a variety of wire gauges, you might need an additional tool for those thicker cuts. This is perfect for you if you focus on detailed electrical work or small projects. Skip this one if you regularly cut thicker wires or cables. Alright, that last one was great for precision, but let's check out another option that balances power and precision. Product number 5. Klein Tools D228-8 pliers. Finally, we're looking at the Klein Tools D228-8 pliers, which retail for $29.97. These diagonal cutting pliers are known for their exceptional cutting power and comfortable grip. If you want a reliable tool for a variety of cutting tasks, you should definitely consider these. These pliers are designed with a high leverage mechanism, providing 36% more cutting power than other designs. The short jaws and induction-hardened cutting knives mean you can expect durability and effectiveness, especially for heavy-duty applications. They've also got a hot riveted joint ensuring smooth action, which is essential for consistent performance. With a 4.8-star rating from 1,300 reviews, users rave about their comfort and reliability. Here's why this matters for you. The plastic-dipped handles not only make them easy to identify, but also comfortable to use for long periods. Some users have noted that they can be a bit bulky for smaller hands. Here's my take. If you're after power and durability, the size is a reasonable trade-off, especially for professional tasks. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable tool for various wire-cutting tasks. Skip this one if you have smaller hands and prefer something lighter and more compact. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of diagonal cutters today. From budget-friendly options to high-leverage choices, there's something for everyone depending on your specific needs. So there you have it. We've explored the WorkPro 7-inch diagonal pliers for budget-conscious buyers, the versatile bone-fused 6-inch wire cutters, the powerful Klein Tools D248-9ST for professionals, the precision-focused Klein Tools D275-5, and lastly, the high-leverage Klein Tools D228-8. Each tool has its strengths and is designed for different tasks. So choose what fits your needs best.